guys, welcome to another episode of Make It Spring with Walmart. I am Bianca and today we will be upcycling old containers and turning them into planters. The supplies that you'll need for this project are Waverly Inspirations Chalk Paint. Today I'll be using Pink Cloud, Agave, and Maize. Matte Mod Podge, scrapbook paper, scissors, 4 wooden dowel sticks, an empty cylinder container, and a Waverly Inspirations chalk paintbrush. The first step for this project is to paint your container using your choice of Waverly Inspirations chalk paint. As you can see, Waverly Inspirations chalk paint has amazing coverage and requires little to no surface prep, and the paintbrush holds a ton of paint so that you don't have to continue dipping your paintbrush over and over. Once your container is done drying, grab your 4 wooden dowel sticks and paint them your choice of Waverly Inspirations chalk paint. I'll be using the ink color to give them the look of realistic metal legs. Now that our wooden dowel sticks are dry, grab a piece of scrapbook paper and cut a strip that is at least half the height of your can, but also long enough to wrap around. Next, we want to adhere our strip of scrapbook paper onto our container using Mod Podge. Today, I am using our matte formula, but if you intend on using this project outside, you can use our outdoor formula. Once you've added your Mod Podge, grab your strip of scrapbook paper and wrap it around the container. The last step for this project is to add your wooden dowel sticks around the bottom half of your container using hot glue. Be sure to line the dowel sticks up with the top of the scrapbook paper. Now that your project is finished, you can add any plant, flower, or greenery. For more project ideas and inspiration, visit plaidonline.com.